Is your tankless water heater making unusual humming noises or showing intermittent error codes that disrupt your morning shower? Replacing the dual Venturi motor is a critical maintenance task that restores combustion stability, ensures adaptive flame modulation, and prevents total system failure. Welcome to PartsHnC. The dual Venturi motor is more than just a simple airflow device. It actively regulates the balance between combustion turbulence and pressure stability to ensure the burner ignites under optimal conditions. When this component begins to fail, you may notice common signs like delayed ignition response, flame instability where the fire flickers inconsistently, or even an electrical odor suggesting internal motor strain. To perform the replacement, first power down the unit, disconnect the electrical supply, and shut off the gas valve. Remove the front access panel and take a picture of the motor's orientation to ensure precise reinstallation. Carefully disconnect the labeled wires and gas lines, being mindful not to disturb nearby sensors. Once you unscrew the mounting brackets and lift out the old motor, inspect the surrounding fan assembly for dust or corrosion. Install the new replacement motor in the exact same orientation, ensuring the airflow ports align perfectly with the vent. After securing the hardware, restore power and gas to observe the startup. Monitor the first few cycles to check for flame stability and the absence of vibrations. Using high-quality replacement parts ensures a proper fit and protects your heat exchanger from long-term mineral buildup. For a wide selection of water heater components like thermostats, valves, and motors delivered fast, visit PartsHnC.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more DIY repair guides, and follow us on social media for the latest home maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.